Hi, I'm Tetsuya Wakuda from Waku Ghin. Looking forward to welcoming you new Waku Ghin at Marina Bay Sands. When you're coming in, big beautiful cherry wood one-piece doors there, and then sculptural sort of stone walls. Then you can choose, like left-hand side, bar and dining room. And then go through and to left, people having at the chef's table. I want the people to more casually can come. You can have 45 minutes, eat and go. And this glass of wine with something. We are free spirit in a sense. No, has to be this, have to be this. I want the people to come to enjoy food and time with us. Approachable. If I reborn, I like to be a cocktail bartender, I think. I love cocktails. I have a very good Japanese bartender named Chi. What do you want to eat? Same thing. What do you want to drink? They will make for you. Tailor-made. I want people to enjoy Waku Ghin. That's basically from bottom of my heart.